Hey guys, now before I start, I want to apologize for my delayed upload of this video and delayed responses to things. I've been quite exhausted and just tired and stuff because of this guy. Now, my girlfriend recently bought this guy and we've been taking care of him, and he's a really loud barker at night time. And as you can see, even he's a little tired, so we're all feeling a little exhausted. And yeah, so we've got a little bit of a hindrance, but I am definitely working, and hopefully, when he is a little more older, I can get straight back into the normal schedule, and I won't have to be sleeping and taking care of him. Anyway, let's get into the video. I've been playing some D&D recently, and I've been enjoying myself. I've actually been working on terrain and some models for a group that I'm playing with, so we have a whole unique kind of take on the entire thing. Now, I don't really know the rules to D&D. I'm still learning, so I'm a bit of a noob, but I am really loving working on terrain and models for people to play with. So this video is about the character that I am playing as currently. He's a Necromancer, and the model will be available through Patreon. It's through the $1 pledges, so you guys will have access to the D&D models that I am going to progressively release over time. But yeah, let's get into this model itself. So here he is, the Necromancer. Now this version, I've made 3 different versions. One of them is this guy, which is just a casual no attacking stance. The next one is this one right here, so you can see the staff is activated and he's about to cast a spell. Now, the third one is definitely my favorite, but probably the least likely to be used. He's casting a pretty serious spell, and I really love this model. He's got, like, if you look up close, you can see there's little skulls in the portal vortex thing that he's creating, and the book is just hovering there. And it was a real blast of paint. Just the glowing effects and all that kind of stuff was just really fun. But yeah, so we got 3 models of a Necromancer. Now this is the character that I'm currently playing as. I will be releasing the other models, which other players are playing as, so my mates' models. And yeah, they're a little all over the place, but they are definitely fun models, and you guys will be able to print them up and put them into your campaign if you want to, or you can just use them as NPCs or whatever. I do want to work more on D&D models for this channel because I think it's really fun, and I'm not restricted by copyright laws or anything like that, and I definitely don't want to be standing on anyone's toes. I like the idea of having creative freedom. When it comes to Orktober, the Orc models, there are going to be a couple more available on Patreon. There is currently a motorbike one available if you want to go check that out, possibly. You're more than welcome to. Otherwise, that's pretty much it for this video. I really wanted to just get this out there, and I will be working on a couple other short videos as we go along. Don't forget to post any of the orc models that you guys have been working on over on Instagram using the hashtag #VidiviCarts. And I will be making a little collage for this channel for you guys to check out, just to show some appreciation for the awesome work that everyone's been doing with their paint jobs. And I've been looking at some of your posts, and I love them. I really do. So keep them up. And don't forget, you can post it for not just October, you can post that for anything at all. Just use the hashtag #VidiviCarts, and I will be looking at all of your work. I'll even leave a little comment for everyone, just because you guys are so awesome. Anyway, thanks for watching, and as always, stay awesome. See ya.